Can I have the sheep?
No, oh. Blood has already won.
I only need one more.
One more sheep, okay. Die, you little punk.
Hindi nila napansin.
Thank you.
Yung mga ka-camping ko.
Kill my dog. I killed the dog.
Bro, I need tripod.
Chicken.
Oh, bigyan na kita ng kahoy mo.
Bro, give me my material. Give me my material, man. Give me my mom.
Ito, may 44.
Oh, sheep.
Tapos may 64.
Oh, sheep. I think
Okay, just wait.
Uy,
Wait.
Cyrus help me.
Do some fuck.
Bro, why is there a black nigger sheep? Get out of here, black nigger. Black nigger, get out. I hate black
Dami
niggers.
ko na
How do I craft
Uy, mag-craft ka na. Ay, mag-gawa ka na ng base. Kagabi na.
Bro, guys, wait.
By the way, where are you all?
I need cobblestone. You have cobblestone?
Wala akong cobble.
Where are you all?
Yeah, you have the cobblestone.
Dapat kumuha
Bro,
ka ng
I have cobblestone here, but where are all of you?
Kailangan ko ng kahoy. Give me 15 na kahoy. Tingin mo. Ah, yan.
Bro, I literally take damage.
Alright, Papa, Stephanie. It from text to me.
Who are you
I'm gonna
talking to?
create the best base ever.
So, Gian, magharap ka na ng
I think I'm last.
Kumuha ka na
Yo,
ng
guys.
sheep mo.
Wait, guys. Let's create a bed really quick. Because Tamas won't be able to spawn if we're quick to sleep. Okay?
Yeah.
Let's put the beds together.
Alright.
This is mine.
This is mine.
This is mine. Next.
Hoy, may bed ka na.
I don't have beds.
Bro, give me the cobblestone, bro.
Ako na nga kung
Bro, I'm gonna make.
hindi ka naghahanap eh.
Bro, Joe. Bro,
Ginagawa mo lang.
Bro, Gian, give me
Bakit?
the cobblestone, man. Oh, guys, we need a furnace. I'm hungry, bro. You guys hungry?
Walang sheep. Ito kasi hindi naganap eh. May free time pa sana tayo kanini.
Bro, guys, go quick, man.
Okay, Gian, ikaw na mag-survive by yourself. Because
Whoa, I have honey here.
you already have beds and you don't have. So, you gotta survive on your own, bro. Pero,
I need
kumuha
a
ka din.
Oh, there's a sheep.
Tapos,
There's a sheep. Cyrus, kill him. Kill.
na!
I'm gonna collect stone because we need food. And I have some food right here. So,
Okay, ilan na wool mo? Isa pa
Two.
lang
I have
mo.
only two. I have only two.
Gabon ito. Isa na lang. Ako na maghanap.
good, guys. Go. Better go.
Why is your name player?
Guys, go quick. We need
Shit,
food.
shit. Gumawa ka na ng shelter. Gumawa ka na ng maliit na shelter. Okay na, magbukay tayo.
What is this? Lapis lazuli? Oh,
Bro, let's go get this beds out of here, man.
Uy, ano bed ko?
Bro, wait.
Dito muna. Dito muna tayo.
I thought Siren was the zombie. Bro, you scared me.
Sabi mo, Kainin.
Huh?
Diba sabi mo may cold ka?
Yes, I have.
Gimme.
Ah!
Magkakulat ako.
Yo!
Bro. What? Oi, Siren, help. Bro.
I got cold.
Bro, you let me sleep in your bed. What? I need to get out here, bro.
I got cold.
Yan! Yun,
Bro,
no?
guys.
Tapos-
Yo, there's lapis above me, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
I got a lapis lazuli, by the way.
Bro, that's mine, bro.
Look, there's more. There's more. Get one.
We need this for enchanting later.
Uy, huwag mo iman
Why?
yan.
Oh, I'm very sorry.
Kasi,
Guys, we need more space, man.
ay, tabi dyan. Yan.
Bro, you don't need this.
Alright. We're safe. Yay!
guys, we need to sleep.
safe,
Here's your
guys.
bed.
Alright.
Okay, this is our starting shelter. I'm gonna cook up
This will be our base, alright?
starting shelter.
Starting shelter, then magiging...
Bro, you have a bed?
Pagka, ha?
Bro, I'm very sorry, bro. I'm very sorry.
Hey, don't steal my iron, man.
Sinig ko lang naman, akala mo may pagkain.
I'm gonna make a chest.
Bro, I'm gonna get
Bro, how to make a chest?
Bro, you need...
Ay, nangambahala sa mabuhay niyo. Basta ako may pagkain ako.
Ayo.
Same here, bro. I'm cooking
Same.
up. I'm cooking. Bro, I got 2 crafting tables.
Bro, why is my mic?
Guys, who want a shield? Who want a shield? Who want a
Me.
shield?
Yeah, me.
I'll give Cyrus one.
Kasi ako, mag-save ako eh.
Cyrus, get this.
Ako na mag-save, diba?
Cave divers be like.
Eh.
Tapos ikaw naman, maghahanap ka lang naman ng mga halos eh.
Ayok.
Ikaw.
Guys! Gian, sleep right
Gian,
now.
akin na yung bed ko.
Bro, I didn't get your
Tignan mo yung
bed.
ano mo. Ha? Nasaan na bed ko?
Bro,
it does not on me, bro.
bro, where's your
Ano
bed?
naman
Bro?
na yung bed?
Guys, put
See? Dumb,
your
dumb.
bed.
Yeah,
No, I'm gonna put some resources. Siren, get the resources.
No.
What the hell?
gumawa kayo ng maraming chests para sa mga ores natin.
Wait.
Ha? Kasi magkikave ako mamaya. Tsaka,
Bro,
What?
who did that?
Me, I guess. I think. Bro, who was that? Guys, sleep already. Gian, sleep, man.
Bro,
Gian,
stop.
sleep.
I don't wanna sleep.
Bro, we're getting.
kailangan ko ng cover.
Bro, hey, yo, what are you doing with me, bro?
Sleep. Make your own bed, man.
Ginagawa mo dito.
Trap. Get in there, bro. Get in there, bro. Nah, get him. Get there. Nah, get him. Get there, bro.
Thanks for the resources. Oh, wait. Thanks for...
Yeah.
Oh, no. No. Bro, I didn't do anything.
Get up, bro. Let us sleep.
I have one.
Cyrus, put the bed and sleep.
Look what...
Hey, that's fine. I'm gonna kill you right now. Bro!
Bro.
Get your goofy ass out of here.
I'm very sorry, bro. I'm very sorry. I didn't meant to kill you, bro.
Get out!
I was meant to give you...
Get out! Bro, I'm not letting you in here, bro. Oh, nothing will probably happen here. Guys, join me.
Hey, yo, what are you?
Pag may ginawa siya, mo na lang.
How do I kick?
Makita mo naman yung sa ano.
Sipahin ko sa mukha niya. I will kick his face. Oh, where are we? Are we in place?
What the hell?
Are we in place, man? What is this?
Bro.
Wake up! Bro, wake up! Wake up!
But why are we here?
Bro, you're in the playground, I think, bro. Hey, stop backshotting, man. You backshotting. Wait, guys, I'm gonna collect slime balls. Let me help you out, Cyrus. Hey, get get back here, man. Bro, I'm right behind you, man. Get him. Bro, let me just leave this.
Dapat click mo.
We should have. I put it by accident on platform. Bro, I need to charge, man.
Babak na lang tayo.
Bro, Minecraft. Huh? Promise. Bro, promise, man. Gorbax. Minecraft.
Gorbax!
Bro, Minecraft, man. Cyrus. Huh? I'm gonna create.
Tumangkad ako.
Hindi ka tumangkad. Ginawa ko boss mo para hindi ka tumangkad. Kinuha ko lahat ng testosterone mo.
Show coordinates and then apply experiments.
Ay, yo, ganun ginagawa mo kay Jana.
What?
What?
I didn't say anything.
How do I put the
Bro!
indicator bar?
Holy shit.
Bro, guys, join me. What you doing, man? You already joined my server? I haven't even created one. Bro, I need the charger, man. Who's charging? I need to charge, man. I'm 20% low. Yo, bro. Cyrus, join me.
Bakit ako nandito? Ano nangyayari sa Minecraft ko? Bigla na ako nag-join.
Yo, yan yung ginagawa ko kay Jana, no?
What?
Sa'yo.
Yung no!
Ginagawa na kay Jana, eh. Ay.
Ayo!
No!
Ganito ginagawa niya kay Jana.
Dude!
Get out! Get out! What's this?
Bro, stuck in the...
Uy! Ang ingay niyo. Tama
Boss?
na nga yung pananakit niya sa isa't isa. Okay?
You sure, bro?
Bro, may Ravin dito. Pasok ka, Siren.
Dude, stop running me down. Freaking mega.
Okay, guys, we got spot. Hey, hey, bro. Guys, wait. Is there a
Ito
ring?
yung pinaka-worst biome, bro.
Bro, there's a ravine there. It's okay.
Bro, guys. Yeah, guys. Cyrus, go with me, and then Gian go find a village,
Yeah.
and then burn the villagers and
Who's
create.
gonna be an adventurer?
Bro, Savannah
Minecraft-
Biomes is one of the common villages, bro. Like I literally join on every world. I
What
have
a creeper!
Wait.
Bro, there's too many creepers here. Wow, how... Bro, you all
What do
go
you mean,
to
bro?
the ravine, bro.
What do you mean?
I hate those.
Oh, that's not Gia, bro. What do you mean? So many creepers.
You all go...
Bro? What do you mean so many creepers? From where?
Bro, inside the... Bro, stop!
One more step.
Ang ingay niyo daw.
I'm gonna use my thing.
Ingay niyo daw.
Bro, why did I create an hole?
I'm using your
Oh.
crafting table. Okay, I'm just gonna.
I need to get more wood.
Bro, Cyrus, come with me, bro. I need to.
Wait lang. Ako yung mag-ano yung roll natin. Oo.
Oh my god,
I'm
bro.
gonna mine, by the way.
Ikaw, hindi, maghanap ka ng pagkain natin.
I'm
No,
gonna-
you're gonna find the village, bro.
Ako maghanap ng ores. Tapos, ako na rin magmamine. Yeah. Ako na rin gagawa ng mga gamit natin.
Bro, I found some iron right here, bro. You want? Oh my god.
Ay, doon na ako taas.
Bro, well, come on. Okay, bro. Bro. Yo, guys, don't hit me, guys. Bro.
Bro, why can't I fit?
Sinala mo yung charger.
I'm
man.
gonna bring the charger, by the way. I need it.
You guys have a plug there? Bro, I'm 18% low, man.
Bro, where?
Is there a plug here?
Bro, there's a zombie down here.
There's a plug here.
By the way, where's
there
the
a plug?
plug? There.
Bro, you're not even low. What percent? Stop. Bro, I need some.
Bro,
Bro, who's hitting me?
who's hitting me, bro?
Bro, this is why, man.
You stupid.
Wait, gumagana daw ba yung outlet? Tignan mo ako nag-charge ka diyan.
Yes.
Di ako di pumapasok.
I got iron, bro, guys.
Hindi pala naka...
Bro, guys. Let's
Bro! You suck at this game, man. You suck.
Bro,
You suck. Bro, I'm killing myself, bro.
Bro, join me.
You suck, man.
Bro, why'd you die?
I already, bro. Wait. I'm the one who's gonna. Oh no, Cyrus creates a server because GM is way too noob.
Bro, I'm no noob.
Bro, create the server.
Bro, I'm not a noob, bro. Nah, I'm no noob.
bro, I'm not. Bro,
You're
create a
noob at
server.
this game too.
Bro, what do you mean? I've been playing Minecraft for a few months now, few years.
Bro, same here.
I just updated my game, bro. What do you mean few years? It's my first game ever. Already.
Ha?
Okay.
Bro, I thought you bring your charger.
Ayan na. Yung ano. Yan. Bakit mo kasi dinala? Dapat pala nagdala ko ng charger.
Bro, I have a charger, man.
I'll join you.
Oh, create a server right now.
I'm going back to 505.
You created, bro?
Whoever mo first game.
You're literally moving, no?
O gumalaw yung fingers mo.
Hindi ako magalaw.
O gumagalaw ka. O gumalaw.
Wala lang! Wala lang!
Ako nga dito gumagalaw eh. Hindi ko kaya, hindi ko alaw.
Hindi mo kaya hindi gumalaw. Bakit pa?
Bro, can you give me like something, man?
Pangit ng bayo.
Bro, we got Super Spire, man! We got Tiger! Seriously, man?
Got Taiga.
Cyrus.
Tai Mega.
Tiger. Bro, I got Alex! I seriously got... Bro.
Cyrus. Where are you right now? So, who's Eureka Ethan? Who's Eureka Ethan? Cancel.
Why is there a toothbrush here, bro?
Bro, you still in the same
Why is there a
server?
toothbrush here?
Bro, are you
Who's Erika Ethan, man? Who's Erika Ethan? Wait.
Try mong ice.
Oh! Gian, he's playing Minecraft. I'm gonna join him.
Tapos ulitin mo.
Oh, he's using an older version, man. Oh, wait, guys. I'm the one who's gonna create the server. Wait, guys. Oh. I'm the one who's gonna create the server. Okay, so...
Wait na ako. Dito ba kayo?
Okay, yes. Bro, Erika Ethan, man, you want to play? I'm gonna actually give it. If you want, I can update your game. Bro, I'm lagging.
Bro, we became player. We logged out.
Bro, come on, my internet is lagging. Oh. Guys, can you give me some items?
Bro, my name is Player 2. I just
Skibidi toilet.
Siren and me. Bro, Siren.
What?
We became players.
Baliw. Bro, I'm gonna skip this top. gonna make account.
You're not looking, bro.
Okay. I'm really dumb.
Sigma.
I'm really... Bro, Cyrus, where are you?
X 7600. Salam ka. My name is Miss Buzz. Bro, why you guys are not loading in, man?
See?
Yo, what update are you?
Sige na nga, kayo na ang gumawa. Bro, Siren, you make the server. Bro, you're the one who's the host here.
Bro,
Make the whole server, okay?
show coordinates.
I can't even join with Cyrus.
Fire spread between.
Bonus chest, bonus chest.
No.
No, bonus chest, please. Bonus chest.
Locator bar, obviously.
Oh, what's villager trade rebalancing?
Okay.
Select. This Sigma Phantom ta.
Wala ka nito, may galit dito sa paa. Kahit hindi sa
Ganito mo siya.
Wala akong kiliti. Ito may kiliti.
daw siya kilit.
Hey!
What the hell?
Bro, what you doing?
Bro, what the hell is this? Siren, what's this? Why is there a white concrete?
Yo! We just spawned next to a rare structure.
What is that, by the way? I don't care.
Wait!
What?
You see that? That's suspicious gravel right there. Suspicious gravel.
I'm gonna mine it?
No, you need a spike brush there.
Oh,
Bro, we
baka may rare item yan.
Yo, guys. Why is this coordinates? What's the coordinates? Wait, guys. We gonna come back here and then we only need just I think we need copper, bro. I think we need copper for that.
we need the brush, bro.
Exactly, to make a brush.
How
bro.
to make a brush?
brush? Spy?
Bro, what's this? Oh, all of this is suspicious gravel.
No, the one who looks like it has a hole.
This is...
Brush.
Oh, I have gravel already. What's this? Why is there a...
Bro, what's the... wait, what's the crafting recipe for a brush, huh?
Pura? Ras?
Yes.
Dulu.
I need a crafting table, man. That means it's probably... Okay. Need a brush. We need a brush. Okay, how do I craft a brush? Oh, we need feather and a stick. One feather, one copper. Gian, get the copper, and then I'm gonna get the...
Bro, at least now copper is very useful. Not like the other versions.
Bro, I need stone as well, bro.
Copper is...
Kamukha mo.
Bro, what the...
What? What do you mean, bro? I'm mining right now.
Bro, that's... You create... I create the
I'm gonna
base.
create you. I'm gonna mine you.
Hey, yo! What are you doing, man?
Bro, shift really quick, man.
Wait. Serious?
Bawal yung tan. Nakakatanda ako sa'yo.
Whoa, I found one.
Get copper, bro.
Bro! Okay, I'm gonna get one copper for one of you. One for you, one for you. I'm gonna get copper for all of you, okay?
I'm gonna create a furnace so we can easily cook up the chicken once we get one.
Yeah. So, Gian, find a freaking food, bruh.
I don't need food. I need copper and I need feathers.
Wait, what?
I need to
what-
kill chicken.
Kailangan natin ng beds, okay? Kailangan din natin ng coal.
I need this and this. I don't even need.
Bro, how do I screenshot, bro? Okay, I'm just gonna put this on the notes.
Hoy, sino kumuha ng ano ko?
Bro.
Ay, nandiyan lang pala.
Oh shoot! Oh no!
What?
Why is there a skeleton under the? No.
I'm under the water, bro.
That's not a cave. Don't even go in. Okay.
I'm gonna collect
One gravel, yeah.
28.
Yes.
Alam mo ba ba't nung maluto yung stone?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, oh, you obviously know that. But
Why do we have coal? So many coal here.
okay, okay, 28.
I got the coal.
65. Remember these coordinates? I put it on my notes. I put the coordinates, okay? I put the coordinates right on the page.
Oh shoot! I'm under the water. I'm under the water.
I need a sword, man.
Yo, I got copper! I got copper from the drowned.
Okay, cool. We just need
I
two
got
more.
copper from the drowned. How did I even got that?
Bro, did you didn't know?
We
You
need
can
better.
get- Okay,
I need chicken.
we need chicken, 3 chickens and 2 coppers.
Where the
Because
fudge
we already
is the
got
chicken?
one.
Where the fudge is the chicken, by the way?
Okay,
Where did they
yes.
spawn? Can you
Don't
give me
go
the
too
coordinates
far
of
off,
the
bro.
chicken?
We need a play right where you spawn, bro. Oh, there's a pig here. Why didn't you kill this pig?
I don't care. I need chicken.
Bro, what is this stuff?
Wait.
Oh, you got some sugarcane right here, bro. I need sugarcane.
Wait. Chickens only spawn?
Pizza daw. Tara baba.
Bro, do we need pizza?
Sa
Akitan ko kayo.
Okay, bro. Thank you, man.
Bantayan nyo. Baka ma...
Okay, bro, chill. I'm gonna put you in the mining area.
Bro, I need chicken. Siren, find me a chicken, bro.
Bro, I can't. I just
Find
got
me a
pig,
chicken
bro.
already. I need the chicken.
Kaya nga, hindi na
Need to put this guy
Yo.
here.
Yo, you almost killed him?
No, I'm not killing him, man. I'm putting him.
Bro, look at this health bar already.
Wait. I need.
Bro, you need to drown.
I'm gonna put him in a corner. Yo, where's his phone at, man? Bro, where's his phone? Yo, where's bro's phone, man?